How to stop Windows 11 update permanently. Hey everyone, and let's get started. If you want to disable the Windows update services permanently, there are three methods by which you can achieve this. The very first one is by disabling the Windows update service. The next one is using the group policy editor, and the third one is using registry editor. Let's get started with the first method. For this, open the Run tab and type in services.msc and hit the OK button. This will now ask for permission. Click on Yes. Once services is open, go to the W section and from here search for Windows Update Service. Once you have found the Windows Update, you have to disable it now. In order to disable it, you have to go to the Properties section. For that, right click on the Windows Update, then go to Properties. From the startup type, choose Disable, click on OK, and then you're good to go. Make sure you restart the computer once you have changed the services. Likewise, the next step is by disabling the Windows Update from the Group Policy Editor. The step is similar as before. Go to Windows plus R and search gpedit.msc. Now navigate to the Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, and Windows Update. Now to disable, double-click on Configure Automatic Updates, set the policy to disable, click on Apply, and then on OK. Likewise, the method 3 is by disabling the Windows Update from the Registry Editor. But before that, make sure that you keep a backup log from your Registry Editor. In order to open it, type regedit on the Run tab and click on Yes for the permission. Now that you're gone on this page, you have to go to this location, which is HK Local Machines, Software, Policies, Microsoft Windows, Windows Update, and AU. Just copy this location and paste it on regedit's search bar. Thereby, right-click and click on dword 32-bit. Once you choose it, you have to set it as No Auto Update. Name it so, and then now you have to change the value. In order to change value, you can double-click or right-click on the dword you created, go to Modify and change the value data to 1. Now tap on OK and restart the computer and you're good to go. Once your work is done, make sure to restart or re-enable the services in order to get the latest updates available. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.